Creating a virtual Visa card for Capterra involves a few steps. Here's how to do it. Choose a virtual card provider. Select a reputable provider that offers virtual Visa cards, such as Payoneer, Skrill, or Wise. These services allow you to create a virtual card linked to your account. Sign up for an account. Visit the chosen provider's website and sign up for an account. This typically involves providing your email address, creating a password, and verifying your identity with personal information. Fund your account. Once your account is set up, you will need to fund it. You can usually add funds via bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods available on the platform. Create your virtual card. Navigate to the virtual card section of the provider's dashboard. Follow the prompts to create a new virtual Visa card. You will receive your card number, expiration date, and CVV, which you can use for online purchases. Use your virtual card. Log into Capterra and select the virtual Visa card as your payment method during checkout. Enter the card details when prompted.